Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create Jira labels step by step. If you use Jira for project management or software development, this feature will instantly help you organize your tasks, filter issues faster, and stay on top of complex projects. So let's jump straight into it. First, let's quickly understand what Jira labels are. Labels in Jira act like customizable tags that you can attach to your issues, tasks, or epics. They make it super easy to categorize work, search specific items, and filter issues across teams. All without changing your main workflow. Jira itself is an incredibly powerful platform used for software development, bug tracking, and agile project management. But without good organization, things can get messy fast, and that's where labels become your best friend. Now, let's walk through how to create a Jira label step by step. From your Jira dashboard, click on Your Work. This is your central hub where all your tasks and projects live. Next, select Projects from the sidebar. You'll see a list of all the projects you have access to. Click on the project name you want to work on to open its workspace. Once inside, open the backlog. You'll find it either on the left sidebar or the top navigation bar. This area shows all your planned tasks, stories, and epics. Now, choose an epic. Remember, an epic represents a larger goal or feature containing smaller tasks. Inside the epic details, look for the labels section. If no label exists yet, it'll show as none. Click on it, and here's the magic part. You can either select an existing label from the list or type a new one to instantly create it. Once added, the label becomes reusable across other tasks and projects. And that's it. You've just created a Jira label. Now you can easily filter issues by label, view related work at a glance, and keep your project board clean and organized. And there you go. That's how you create Jira labels the smart way. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a productivity tutorial like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.